Let's lift it higher.
I'll place the tray.
Let's place this in the sun to dry.
I'll adjust it for the light.
Let's start the marinade.
I'll get the grinding stone.
Perfect. Now we grind.
Ready.
Let's make the paste now.
Okay, I'll hold it steady.
It's getting smooth.
Perfect.
Almost done with the garlic.
I'll collect the peels.
Perfect for the marinade.
Ginger is done. Now for the garlic.
I've got the bowl.
It's mixing perfectly. Perfect, just a little more.
Here you go, my love.
Thank you. This will add so much flavor.
Yes, just a gentle tap now.
Perfect. Stirring it well now.
I'll rotate the bowl.
It's combining nicely. Let's get this chicken fully coated.
I'll flip these pieces.
Perfect. Now for more marinade. Let's cover the marinated chicken.
Yes, I'll secure the edges.
Perfect. Now it rests. Placing it under the shade now.
The sun is high. Perfect.
It will marinate well.
Pouring it in slowly.
Yes, stir it well. Perfect, that's enough. Flour is ready.
Aligning the trays.
Perfect, thank you.
All set.
This first coating is key.
Here, the next piece.
Perfect, it needs to be even.
Just right.
Second coating for the perfect crunch.
Shaking off the excess now.
Perfect.
The fire is ready now.
Perfect. I'm adding the oil. Wok is placed.
I'll adjust the fire.
The oil is heating.
Pour it slowly.
Yes, just right.
It's sizzling now.
First one in.
Yes, give it space.
It's sizzling perfectly.
Adding more to the batch, dear.
Good. I'll flip these first ones.
They smell amazing.
In you go.
Got it. Hold steady.
Time to flip. Perfect.
Even frying.
Look, the golden color is forming.
Yes, I'll adjust the heat.
Adding the second batch now.
I'll organize these.
Perfect, almost done.
This batch is ready, dear.
Great. Here's the next one.
Perfect. Keep them coming.
Perfect amount of steam.
Yes, it's rising beautifully.
Just right for flavor.
Last batch is ready.
Perfect. I'll arrange them.
They smell wonderful.
Just like you.
There, the final piece.
It looks perfect, my love.
A feast for us. So crispy.
Yes, perfect.
The rice is well cooled now.
Perfect. I'll help loosen the clumps.
Gently for the stir fry.
Of course. Is this enough water?
Yes, just a little more.
How is it?
It's perfect.
The water is ready, dear.
Thank you. I'll place the pot now.
Pouring the water now.
Perfect, it's starting to boil.
It's thickening nicely.
I'll keep the fire steady.
Perfect, thank you. Let me check the rice.
How is it?
It's perfect.
Smells wonderful.
The rice is ready. Help me drain it.
Yes, I've got it. Steady now.
Perfect. Now for the rest. This will cool down nicely.
Yes, a perfect team.
These carrots look so fresh.
Yes, they are perfect.
I'll arrange the rest.
These carrots are fresh.
Yes, they look perfect.
Almost done.
I'll gather them.
These capsicum look so fresh.
Yes, let me align them.
Thank you.
Of course. Looking good, my dear.
Almost done. Just a few more.
Perfect. I'll get these.
It's all clear now.
Thank you. Keep pouring slowly, dear.
Yes, slowly.
It's getting smooth.
Perfect.
Just a little oil to heat the pan.
Perfect. I'll place the small pan here.
It's heating up nicely.
Yes, it is.
Now, I'll stir until it thickens.
Yes, keep stirring.
It's getting glossy now.
Perfect.
Let's add the warm cornflour glaze now.
Yes, I'll gently toss it.
Perfect. It's mixing so well.
Wok is on. Ready?
Yes, oil is ready.
Good. Let's begin.
It will be delicious. Adding the onions now.
Perfect. I'll keep stirring.
It smells wonderful.
Almost done.
Adding the vegetables now.
They look so fresh.
Time to toss them. Heat it up high. On it. More wood. Perfect. Watch this toss. I'm mixing it thoroughly. See?
It smells wonderful.
The grains are separating nicely.
Perfect.
Keep pouring. I'll mix it quickly.
Alright, here you go.
It's mixing perfectly.
It smells amazing.
Just a little more salt and pepper.
It smells wonderful, my love.
Now, you can fold it in. I'll scramble these eggs separately, dear.
Alright. I'll hold this one.
Perfect. Time to add the eggs.
It smells wonderful.
Now to mix it all together.
The dish smells wonderful, my love.
Thank you. Let's lower the heat now.
Done. Rest the wok.
It's looking so good.
Yes, just a little more.
Okay, that's perfect.
Beautiful, my love.
Here's the chicken, right beside the rice.
It looks perfect. Thank you.
Let's eat. Adding the cornflower vegetable salad now.
It looks perfect, dear.
Thank you. Just a few more touches.
It looks perfect. Let me clean the edges.
Thank you, my love, always. Here is the final dish, my love.
It looks wonderful, dear.
I hope you enjoy it.